Hi kindergarten, it's me, Miss Belts. Today is Wednesday, April 21st, 2021. Today we are going to continue to talk about money and coins, and today we are going to identify a dime. We are going to look at a dime and describe everything that we see about it. And we're going to do this because it's important to be able to talk about what you notice with different coins. So let's get started. Our first word we have today is one that we've seen a lot, and it is the word sort. Remember, when we sort, we put things into groups that are the same. So over here I have my group of triangles, and over here I have my group of quadrilaterals. The next word we have is a review word again. It is money. Remember, there's two different types of money. There are bills, and remember, bills are flat and they're made of paper. And we also have coins, and they are round. We're going to talk about that in a minute. And remember, we use money to buy things. With our coins, they are round and they are made of metal. Today we are going to talk about a dime. A dime is silver in color like it was yesterday with the nickel. This one is actually the smallest of all the coins, so whenever you see a dime, it is very small in size. And we are going to talk about all the different things that we see on this coin. So I would like you to do that. I would like for you to turn and talk to somebody and say, I noticed that this dime has, and fill in the blank. So turn and talk to somebody and say, I noticed this dime has, and then we're going to talk about it. Ready? Go. All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1, 0. Eyes and ears on me. Thank you very much. All right, what do you notice about the dime? I agree, it is silver in color. What else do you notice? I also agree, I see lots of different words. What else do you see? Yeah, I see a picture of somebody's head also. Do you notice anything else? I agree, there's some plants over here, and this is called a torch, so it kind of looks like fire at the top. So let's actually look at this really, really closely, and let's write down everything that we notice about this dime. So the word we have today is dime, and this is the head side because we see the picture of somebody's head, and this is the tail side, and on the tail side we see different things. So we've seen buildings for the other two coins. This is the first time it's something different. So this time we see a torch and we see some plants. The dime is silver in color. So it's silver like the nickel was. This time it has a rough edge. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this because it's such a small little piece of money. But whenever you are actually looking at a dime, the edge of this dime is rough and bumpy. The other ones we've looked at so far have been smooth, so that's how this one's different. It's rough and bumpy. And it is the smallest sized coin. So here is my dime, and here is my nickel from yesterday. And you're able to see kind of how the dime is smaller than the nickel. So it's the smallest coin that we see. It also has words on it. We talked about that a little bit. So it says, in God we trust, right here in little bitty print. It has the word liberty right here. And it also has the year that it was made. On the, and then on the head side, this man is also one of our presidents. His name is Franklin Roosevelt. So he was one of our presidents. On the tail side, it also has words. So it says 1 dime, so that helps us remember which coin it is. And it also says United States of America. This one, like we've talked about, has plants and it has a torch. So that's how these are a little bit different. So let's review what we talked about today. Today we talked about how to identify a dime. We looked at the dime and described everything that we noticed about it. And we did this because it's important to be able to talk about what you notice about with different coins. Here is your activity for today. Just like you've been doing with your pennies and your nickels, today I want you to look at this piece of paper and I want you to circle all of the dimes found on this page. So if you're at school or if you're at home and you have this piece of paper in front of you, you are going to find all of the dimes and you're going to circle them with your pencil. If you're at home and you do not have this paper, remember you're able to use the little pencil icon at the top and you're still able to circle all of the dimes. So make sure you're looking for that small little bitty silver coin and circle all the dimes. If you have any questions, ask your teachers and I will see you later. Bye.